Welcome to a new course from TEFL SHEB. This time we're talking about learning styles. If you remember, in one of our previous courses we talked about multiple intelligence. This time we're talking about a very similar idea, which is learning styles. Every student you're going to face inside your class is going to have a mixture of these learning styles in different percentages. The four learning styles we're talking about this time are visual learners, auditory learners, and reading and writing, or people who prefer to learn through reading and writing, and the fourth one is kinesthetic learners. In this course we're talking about the definition for learning style and the four different styles and how we're going to deal with them inside the classroom. Before we start talking about how to deal with every learner inside the class, we're talking first, what are learning styles? What does it mean? You will find that every learner has different ways of perceiving the world around them. They have different ways of processing information. They have different ways of understanding and comprehending knowledge. So learning styles will tell us about what are these ways and what are the techniques that we can apply inside the classroom with each one of them.